Real emo boy shit.
Okay, fuck on. Okay, okay, good. I'm under 6 feet tall. I wish I had 8, 10 eyes. I don't know what that means. I don't talk to females. Just jerk off and cry. Chad, screw her daily. I ain't saying that shit. All women are evil. You're so fucking evil. Real. It's a real trap shit. But I'm a giant. Yeah, I'm an incel. Yo, Five Nights at Freddy's reference? Five Nights. What are they doing here? Billions must die. Circumcised. Okay. Circumcised us all. Does the censor have control? Okay. I want a perfect jawline. Bye bye. That's just literally Nazis. That's just a Nazi thing right there. What the they don't want you to notice when they are around. No fucking foreskin. I wish I had foreskin, but I'm a chud. I'm a incel. What are they doing here? Ew, that sounded nasty. Ew. Billions must die. Billions must jerk off to something other than memories. They burned what? How do you sing this part? No, I'm not singing like that. Fuck off. No. Okay. They're burning down the way to burn down the bum. No, this says burn. Bum. Bum. Okay. I wanna post some gems, but I only find cold. Like children yearn for the mines. It's so fucking Jover. It is so Jover. Cause I'm a child. I'm an incel. What are they doing here? The West has fallen. The West has fallen. Wow, turn on the TV, dude. The fucking panic, I think. What the fuck?